Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will be discussing about the great opportunity for job seekers. So you must apply for this opportunity. The main catchy of this video is that there is no 60% criteria. All branches are eligible to apply, and the main thing is that for one exam link there is 6 opportunity. So this means that you have to appear for only one exam, and from that exam you will be getting 6 opportunities. It means 6 companies will be hiring according to your exam. So in this video we will be discussing about how to apply, salary, package, rule, and all 2018, 19, 20, 21, 22 batch students can apply for this job. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel for the latest off-campus job opportunities and IT related queries. So let's start the video. So if we talk about the companies, then there is total 6 companies which will be hiring according to the examination performance. The first company is 7Edge, second is Algo Cirrus, third is Vedema Technologies, fourth is Mu Sigma, fifth is Avi Softwares, and sixth is Nibble Technologies. So any batch candidates can apply. 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 batch students can apply for this job. If we talk about the job role, then software engineer will be the job role. Qualification will be PE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, BCom, MCom, MBA, BSc students can apply for this job. There is no experience, all freshers can apply for this job. Package will be from 4 to 5 LPA. Location will be Pan India, and the last date to apply for this drive is 21st of September 2022. You should apply for this drive. So yeah, if we talk about the hiring challenge, then GFG is conducting a Jobathon 13 hiring challenge on 21st of September 2022 from 8 PM to 10:30 PM. So the examination duration will be 3 hours, and these are all 6 companies which will be hiring from this hiring challenge. So if we talk about the instructions for the contest, rules and regulations, what will be there for the examination. So basically the contest will consist of 4 parts, where there will be 3 DSA coding problems, total of 100 marks, and 5 MCQ questions, each of programming logic, logical reasoning, and quantitative aptitude, each of 5 marks. Total 75 marks will be there for MCQ portions. Interview shortlisting will be done by specific companies based on their own criteria. So basically all the companies will be having their own individual criteria. Languages supported for the DSA problems are C++, Java, and Python. So basically there will be only 3 programming languages which will be accepted for the coding questions, and the main point is that there is a penalty for every wrong answer. So there is 5% penalty for each wrong submission. For example, if a problem is of 100 marks and a participant makes a wrong submission, his marks are reduced to 95. After the next wrong submission of the same problem, his marks are further reduced to 90.25, and so on. So for each wrong submission or each wrong answer, every time 5% penalty marks will be deducted. So you must attempt only the correct answer which you are having 100% surety. Otherwise don't attempt the question, else it will be getting wrong. Marks of MCQ type questions are added after the contest is over. So yeah, these are rules and regulations which you should follow during the examination, and you must register for this hiring challenge. This hiring challenge is a great opportunity for all the job seekers, as from one exam link you will be appearing for 6 companies, and if your exam goes well, then there is a chances that from 3 to 4 companies you will be having the interview, and after that you will be converting it into full-time opportunities. So you must apply before 21st of September. So this much for this video. Till then, bye bye.